Hi everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at Methodox Threads release version 0.7 and specifically the generative AI integration. First, let's take a look at some GUI changes. The first thing you might notice when you open this version is now the controls are only available when you are hovering on the text editor. This way the overall interface looks cleaner. Another thing you can notice is now there is a generate button. This provides direct integration to combination with your chosen service provider. You can also trigger the same function from edit generate. You can configure the generation service by providing system message and corresponding API configurations. For now, we only support OpenAI, but the rest of the services, common service types, are a work in place. In order to use OpenAI for chat completion, all you need is an API key. I will not be demonstrating how you can register it here, but basically you go to platform.openai.com and register your account, and you can get an API key from there. After you have get the API key, it's a text starting with something like sk-. You just paste in your API key, and that's all you need to do. You can pick from some available preset models, and in case there are new models that's released, you can enter the model name yourself. Let's use GPT-4 Mini for this demonstration. Now, to actually perform any generation, all you need to do is to enter a prompt. Let's say, tell me a story about a dragon and a dragon fighter. And then, after you set the prompt, click the generate button to generate the completion. It will take a bit to generate a story, so let's maximize the window and we can see it in more glorious details. As you can see, the generation has completed. And after you read through the story, you can have further conversation with AI by creating a child, and then you can have a prompt. Summarize the key ideas and word building concepts. And now if I do generate again, it will follow the entire conversation history and act according to the prompt. So you can see those are the key ideas, some of the names, and I do want to note, if you take a look at the name Eldoria, that is something generative AI tends to use a lot, pretty much too much. So that's how you can use it. Every time you close it, and if you open the program again, the configurations are stored, so you don't need to change it every time. Now let's talk about system message. System message allows you to fine-tune the AI's behavior. For instance, you can tell it to behave in certain ways. Let's say, always tell a joke whenever the user asks about something. And then just close, it will be automatically saved. Now we can set a prompt. We can say, how's the weather? In this case, the AI is not connected to the internet. It doesn't use web search, so it's not able to answer this particular question, but it's still going to follow the system prompt. So if we do generate, it's going to tell a joke first. I don't know, but here it's pretty weather for sunburn. And why did the sun go to the school? Because it wanted to get a little brighter, right? So that is basically how you can integrate generative AI features. I wish you enjoy it. Thank you.